Assalamualaikum. Time check. What time is it? It's 12:46 a.m.
Yep.
And we're going to Rastanura Beach. Doon tayo matutulog. Okay? It's what's the date today? October
5.
October 5 and
But yes, but it's still currently October 4, but I'll count it.
yeah, it's October 5 already because it's already past 12. Yeah. And the weather is not that hot anymore. Anyway, we'll see you after this. Now we're heading to Rastanura Beach. Magka-camp kami doon at doon na rin kayo matutulog. Time check 2:09 in the morning. 2:09 ka? In the morning. We are almost there. Around 5 more minutes. I-drop ko yung Rastanura gas station because wala na kaming gas and nakalimutan yung lighter. See you next time.
Red in it.
Okay.
Sigma.
It's 2:19 It's 2:19 and we just arrived here.
Don't tell where are you.
Rastanura. Rastanura Beach.
Your stalker will find you.
Never mind.
Bye.
Okay. Nandito na kami sa Rastanura Beach. Napatayo na rin namin yung aming tent sa lilit ng kahoy. Andin na yung dalawa, si Eliza at si Meds. Tapos si Aliyah andito po naglalaro sa labas. Gutom daw. Yeah. You okay there? Okay. And the beach. Dilim. Kaya ng tent namin. Okay. Time check, almost 3 o'clock now. Gising pa si Aliyah. At yung dalawa andun na sa loob ng tent. Si Eliza nagising ulit. Tuwang-tuwa nang nalaman niya nasa beach kami. Hello. Hello, Laika. Nagutom daw si Aliyah. So makita, set ako dito ng pag-iihawan ang table namin. Si Aliyah, si Eliza is here inside the tent with mommy. Okay, let's see. Yes, baby. Hey there. Sa ilalim kami ng kahoy. I don't know kung anong kahoy ito. Ito na ako sa kotse. Ito yung kotse. Ay nagbebenta pa rin ng ice cream hanggang yung oras past 3 AM na. Ayun o. Ang dami pa rin tao. Ito sa Rastanura. By the way, I forgot to mention, medyo hindi na siya mainit ngayon. Malamig na, actually malamig yung hangin. As of now, sabi ni weather forecast, it's 7 to 28. So pwede na mag welcome. Okay, you go now. Okay, use the light there inside the tent so that it will not be dark. Okay, you don't have chinelas. Okay, good job, baby. Yeah, there's a car. That's a Coast Guard, by the way.
There's a car in the beach.
Yeah, there's a car. That's the Coast Guard, baby. Go inside now.
What? Mom, I got a sister.
Okay. And ihaw kami ng barbecue pala. Chicken barbecue. Kasi nag-decide kami pumunta rito during night time na, so hindi na kami nakabili ng isda. Mamaya na kami bibili ng isda in the morning. Medyo mura yung isda dito sa Rastanura, so plano namin bumili ng isda bago umuwi kasi dito medyo fresh tsaka mura yung isda dito, lapit sa dagat. Si Meds, si mami nila tulog na.
She's sleepy as heck.
And ito, naidlip sa car. So ayaw na matulog. Hello. Tsaka nagugutom daw. Ayan, kaya niluto ko na yung manok. Tayo muna natin maluto. Sige. Ayan. Rapid na maluto yung barbecue namin. Yan. Si Aliyah yun, lalaro pa rin. Si Liza gising pa rin yata. Okay, I hope marinig niyo yung sound ng wave. Sarap pakinggan, nakaka-refresh. Yan yung madilim na part na yun. Yan yung dagat na. It's almost sunrise. Yan na. Lumalabas na yung haring araw. Hindi pala lumalabas. Umiliwanag na. Coast Guard na dumaan. Umaga na. Nagising pa rin yung mga tao. Early morning. It's almost 5 o'clock I believe. Paliwanag na dun sa may bandang. Kitang kita na rin yung dagat. Medyo maalo na konti. Madilim pa rin dito. 5:20 AM. Maliwanag. Ayan. Weather is fine. Ganda ng pasigan. Siya di yun. Eloisa pala, hindi na natulog. Yung mami niya, gising na kumakain. Doon pa rin sa loob natin. Malamig daw dito sa labas. Si Reyes, si Eloisa, si Jenny. Time check. Again, 7:30. Medyo minit-init na. Pero malamig pa rin ang hangin. Uwi na kami. Hi baby. Almost 9 o'clock. Daan tayo supermarket, Lastanura. Okay na? Kaya nga, pero ito na. Okay na. Fresh salmon 50 per kilo. Okay na? So we're going home now.